How you doing? Welcome to the Yaks Fitness YouTube channel. It's Chris Yakumchuk here, the owner. I have Hiab with me today. We are going to be demonstrating the power squat machine. And this is just a very traditional way that I'm going to show you how to do this. It's a very nice machine, especially if you have any back issues. Keeps your back all in super nice alignment. You're nice and safe, very comfortable. So right now, she's going to pick up the weight and I'll talk as she's performing the set. It's not quite self-explanatory, but she has her head relaxed on the pad, her back, everything is just in a nice, almost like a backboard. Now she already knows because she's been training with me, but you notice her knees, I'm going over her toes. So nice, safe position. She doesn't have it backed up here and her knees are hanging over and creating a lot of stress. And she's also, excuse my reach, she's coming down to about 90 degrees, really engaging her glutes and her hamstrings. She's coming down to a nice adequate stretch and then pushing up. And trying to drive, she's demonstrating she's driving most of her power with just her heels. By her lifting up the toes, she's just demonstrating that for the camera, showing how she's putting all that power into her hips and her glutes. And that looks really good. Coming down nice and deep, 90 degrees, and then driving up. Nice and safe position. Great piece of equipment. So anyway, make sure you're liking this. I hope you like this video and subscribe to it because we got a lot of features to do on the equipment here. Nice job.